So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I couldn't show you guys the palette I was working with. Here is the Imagic 48 color palette. Like, mine is messed up. Okay, when I was traveling, I didn't handle it well, so it's broken, and I don't know if you guys have any tips on how to restore an eyeshadow palette that has like broken, because it's so painful because the shadows are just pouring out. I don't know what to do, so I couldn't show you guys. So every single thing I used, every eyeshadow I used, the black, the green, because the colors I followed were the colors here, the white in my inner corner, the yellow, the orange. I used the orange to transition, and I also used the orange to blend, if you can see, in between the black. And I didn't use an eyeshadow primer. I can't find my eyeshadow primer, so that's why I had to use a concealer. I believe it would have shown better if I had used like an eyeshadow like primer. But I hope you guys love the look. I totally love the look. The contour palette I used is from Zikel Cosmetics, and I also used a red lipstick from, I can't remember, but I used their lip gloss, the nude one, neutral, I think it's called neutral. I used that in the center of my lips. And here, this is the final look. Every product I use would be in the description bar below. Today is Boxing Day. I don't know if this tutorial will be coming up today, being Boxing Day, but if it doesn't, happy Boxing Day. And please guys, subscribe to my channel. Help me know that you enjoy what. Subscribe, share with your friends. There might be someone out there who wants to be inspired to do makeup, and you know. And also, if you would like me to do a tutorial showing you how to apply eyeshadows, which colors work for which parts of the eyes, do let me know and I will do that, because I don't want to post something out that people wouldn't really like to watch. But if you would really want to know how to do like apply eyeshadow, like, I don't know if you guys can already tell, like, eyeshadow is the best part of makeup for me. Like, I love eyeshadow because I can be creative. I just sit down, I don't really plan it, I just sit down and it just comes. Okay, so that's how eyeshadow is for me. I'm really loving this highlight. I actually use a shadow from the Imagic palette, and it's so painful that the palette doesn't, the shadows don't have names, so I can't tell you I use this here, but that was what I used, and I'm loving this highlight that it's giving me, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe till I come your way again next time. Love you always. Bye.